Have you ever wanted to make money with your own Telegram channel? Well, you can now. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with your own Telegram channel. You will be able to reach a whole new audience and make money at the same time. Telegram is quickly becoming the new go-to-message app, and it's perfect for making money online. You won't believe how easy it is to make money with Telegram. All you need is a Telegram channel and some creative ideas. Ready to make some quick and easy cash? Let's dive into this video. Watch this video to the very end to learn how to make money with Telegram. Now, let's go to my screen. As you can see, these channels with lots of subscribers, they can actually monetize it and make tons of money from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're actually new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, it's free, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I drop a new video. Actually, our goal is to get to 1,500 subscribers before December, and with you subscribing to our channel, I know we're going to get there soon. Alright, the requirement for you to get monetized on your channel is 5,000 subscribers. Now, let me show you how this works. Open your browser. It could be your Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox, but I prefer you use your Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser and type adsly.me/publishers. I'm going to put my link in the description below so that you just click on it and it will take you direct to the website. Now, this is how the website looks like. To become a publisher on this site, click on this green button here, which says become a publisher. Now you will have to fill these forms: your name, your email, and your preferred password. You will be sent a verification email to make sure your email is correct and valid. So after confirming your email, this is what you will see on your screen. Now you will then click on add your first channel, which is the step 1. Click on this button which says start the bots. It's going to open up for you on your Telegram channel. What you're going to do here is you will click on start. The next step is to add these bots to your Telegram channel. To do that, click on the bot section, copy the username of the bot. Now go to your channel, click on it, click on manage. Go to the administration section, click on add administrator, paste the username there. Now give the permission to the bot and save it. Now you've done this successfully. The next thing to do is to go back to the website on your Chrome browser. Click on done. The step 2 will require you to add your Telegram link, which is the link to your Telegram channel. After adding your Telegram link, describe your channel and select the category of your channel, be it making money online niche or any niche your channel is all about, and also select the language of your Telegram channel, which is English. Make sure you have up to 5,000 subscribers before you do this. After this step, they are going to give you adverts to run on your Telegram channel. Just approve those adverts and you're good to go. This is where you're going to see how much you have been able to make from the clicks on the adverts on your Telegram channel. This is where you can withdraw your money. First of all, you need to add a withdrawal method. Add your withdrawal method. You can use your crypto address, that is TRX Tether, which is the easiest method to use. Copy your TRX address and paste it here, then click on add method. So this is how you can make money with your Telegram channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Remember, our goal is to reach 1,500 subscribers before December, and with you subscribing to this channel, I know we are going to get there very soon. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a comment below this video. If you have any question, ask it below and I'm going to answer your question, and I'll put you through on how to do this perfectly. Now we call this a day. Goodbye.